ba kayo? Kung sino mapipili namin? Parang hirap eh, no?
Masaya. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. It's just honor to be here. Judge.
Well, it is our honor and privilege to see you guys right here in the flesh, diba? I know you guys are busy all the time, got lots of things on your plate. Pero ano ba yung mga ilan sa pinagkakaabalahan nyo ngayon? Ladies first, of course.
Super podcast.
Super hot.
Siyempre, una-una yung pamilya ko dyan. Siyempre, sila yung top priority ko talaga. And then after, ayan, meron akong Sinimalaya na ipapalabas this coming August.
Can't wait for that one, definitely. At least right now, you got that toy truck out of your hair. I saw that footage coming from Sixto, di ba? Okay, that was a cute moment. And you, sir, I know you.
Bobby.
Yeah, new sitcom.
Well, congratulations also. You just got married.
Thank you. And my wife is actually here.
Yeah,
That's my super partner.
There you go.
Okay. Thank you.
We just started doing our sitcom for the family. I'm finally working with my wife and my 2 kids. And then aside from that, I'm going to start filming this August, September for the Metro Manila Film Festival. And pagkatapos nila, 2019 kami, tapos sila naman, and then ako naman ngayon.
Uy, ang daming aabangan talaga, no?
Masaya na. And then it's also time with the family always, of course. And syempre, nagpapapayat para makasali sa Superbad.
Uy!
May pag-asa pa pala eh. Sabi nila, may nakita ako 52 years old. Kaya Goma!
Grabe yung hindi ni Sir Goma, oh.
Kaya natin yan.
Can we expect you guys next year to join the Superbad?
Next year, ang tagal.
Oh, kailan ba pwede magsimula?
Next month, ulitin namin to. Dito.
You've heard him from my favorite doctor himself, Doc Aga.
Thank you.
Okay, pero syempre, we go back to family and priority talaga ang family, no? But now you are part of this growing family with Century Tuna. Right now, you've been selected as the judge. Can you take us to that moment? Ano ba yung naging proseso at pakiramdam nung nag-contact kayo or kinontak kayo ng Century Tuna to be the judge for the evening?
Well, siguro, ang unang pumasok sa isip ko, alam kong mahihirapan ako. Kasi kanina pa lang, tinignan ko isa-isa, sabi ko nga kay Kuya Aga, paano tayo mamimili? Pwede bang lahat sila panalo na? Kasi ang parang pinaghandaan, nakaka-inspire. Tapos behind that, may mga kwento sila eh. So yun yung mga gusto ko din malaman kung bakit nila ginawa at bakit sila sumali.
Actually, yun yung maganda. Presence and essence. The fitness and the fundamentals. Diba? Tama, T-Sir.
Well, it's the same thing sa akin. Parang, everyone worked hard and I know what it takes really to parang maging ganyan ka. And katulad sa akin, I'm coming from umabot ako ng 250 pounds and trying to cut back. So it's mahabang proseso. It's tough, it's hard, but it's doable. So I know how it feels. So congratulations to all the Superbods here.
Well, definitely, what we're on. Kasi just looking at you guys are really the definition of Superbod.
Plus points naman talaga kung paano nila pinaghandaan yung mga katawan nila, pag-exercise and pagda-diet. Siguro para sa akin, kung paano nila dinala yung sarili na, kung paano sila magbibigay inspirasyon sa ibang tao na gawin yung ginawa nila. Para sa akin, mahal.
Creation talaga.
Ganun talaga. Yun ang sasabihin ko. Ganun talaga. Yun ang sasabihin ko, pareho talaga. It's really hard work for all of them, and pinag-uusapan ko mga kaina, sinabi ko kaina parang kailangan seryosoy mo yung pag-judge talaga dito dahil, everyone worked really hard.
Yes.
And it'll change your lives also if you win. And even if you don't win, panalo ka na kagad because of how you took care of yourself.
We got 35 finalists, no? Grabe preparation, first and foremost, while staying healthy and active.
Mahalaga kasi yun eh. Pero syempre, bago ang lahat, alam natin priority yung family. Pero paano mo gagawin i-extend for your family yan? Dapat sa sarili mo buo ka para mabigay mo yung 100% para sa family mo. So mahalaga yung pagbabalance mo sa sarili mo, sa pamilya mo, sa mga ginagawa mo. Kasi pag buo ka, lahat ng 100% love, maibibigay mo yun.
Oh my gosh, that was a beautiful answer. Thank you so much, candidate number 1. With some swag. And she danced while answering that question. Okay, how about you, Daddy Aga?
Sa akin it's really, well, balance of course, like what Ryan said, family, well, aside from that, also you gotta take care of yourself. Because kung wala ka naman, paano maalagaan ang pamilya mo, ang asawa mo, mga anak mo if you don't take care of yourself. And I can speak from experience also, during the pandemic when I gained so much weight, it was really hard, it was really tough. And for many years that we're trying to lose weight, to stay healthy, to keep up with my kids and my wife. And it's been a tough journey, but ang gusto ko lang sabihin sa lahat is never stop, parang sige lang, just fight, just keep on fighting, never surrender, because there's light at the end of the tunnel always. You gotta look forward and move forward, and we're getting there. Loma, di ba? Ayun lang. Ganito ang mga edad natin, di ba? 50s. Been there, done that.
But always